Technology is part of our everyday life, so naturally, integrating technology in the classroom will help students with all learning styles, and most importantly, it is engaging. Most of my students, well, I should say majority of my students have cell phones, so it makes sense to align instruction with the way students know best. My principal is all for technology in the classroom. But some of the other teachers in my building are still a bit hesitant. I feel by suggesting some workshops and training will make teachers feel more comfortable. Even more training sessions where teachers in the building are teaching other teachers, not necessarily going to a training or a workshop. I strongly believe technology enhances collaboration and interaction among students, and even interaction among students and the teacher.